In this video, I want to talk about how you can use bar replay inside of TradingView. Now currently I'm on a demo account, so I'll quickly show you how this works, guys. So if you click on the bar replay button up here and you select a time where you want, you can see the time down here. You wanna, let's say you wanna do here right before the price goes down, right? So you can click here and it will take you to that time. And as you can see, if I go forward a little bit, you'll see the time will now go back down, right? So you will try and you can go here. Yes, and we can go here. And you can try and look and see what you did different and what you think you could have done different. So you can do sell and buy options, and you can try and check your strategy and see if something went wrong. So this is the easiest way to do this, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.